What's up everybody, it's AJ with Beer City Woodworking once again. I've been getting a lot of questions on how to make box joints. Some people do them by hand, other people have jigs that they've created and you can buy those online. Today I'm going to show you how, with a few pieces of scrap wood and the right router bit, you can actually make your own box joint jig fairly simply. Now this is a little bit more complicated than a beginner build, but I think if you follow the steps carefully, anybody could be able to do this in their own home and make perfect box joints. Alright, so before we start, I do think it is important to let you know that I am already working with an existing router table. I am not building this from scratch, so yours might differ slightly.
Reach the wizard.
Most router tables will have a guided track. You just need to find a board that you can mill to fit into that track. Once you cut your piece of plywood, the next thing you're going to want to do is make sure that you glue that piece that fits into your router guide to the edge of the plywood, like so. Now what that's going to do is, once you plug that into the router table, you're going to have to take a scrap board and clamp it to the edge straight as your other guide. You can kind of see how I'm doing that right there. What that cedar does is acts as a guide so you can continue making your cuts like you'll see later in the video. It is important to put two fences on this jig just to make sure that you don't accidentally blast through and cut your thumb wide open. The router fence has slats cut in it so you can move the board from left to right if you want to cut different joints. But because I am cutting half-inch box joints, I'm going to go ahead and reset it to the settings I need for that.
Reach the wizard.
Now let's get to cutting. Your first board doesn't really matter. I like to mark the outside and put the outside in just in case there's any tear out or anything like that.
Reach the wizard. Reach the wizard.
But it is important to mark which sides are going to go together so you don't get those confused. Now once you have your first board done, it's important to take the board that's going to attach to it and make sure that you follow the joint, because the last thing you want is for them to be crisscrossed and not go together and have a perfect box.
Reach the wizard.
And there you have it, folks, perfect box joints. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the bell for notifications, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and let me know what you'd like to see next in the comments. We'll see you next time.